I'm tired. As you can see, there's new paint. No more of the Pink Panther stuff. Anyways, I'm going to turn it around and show you. This is going to be the hottest corner. All right, in the last video, I ended up here. This is drying. Now I'm going to do this today, and then tomorrow I'll come in and try to empty this out and move it. But I got to keep on going all the way across to here. So all this stuff has to be come down and be moved. All right, let's get to it. Okay, well, yeah, the glare is pretty bad. I got this primed. I got to do the black stuff. And then tomorrow, we'll move on to move this. Time to move this. I have a head cold. Let's go. Well, I thought I was going to get the whole thing done today, but I'm not. Let me turn it around. I'll just show you what I got. All right, so I got this emptied out and moved, and I got this painted all the way up to here. I still have to do all this. I'm just tuckered out. I still have a head cold, so I'm going to end the video here. Love you guys. Stick around for the last video.